This video is for everyone in their 30s facing tough family decisions. We're talking about the hard truth about probate. Losing a parent is heavy enough, but finding out you've been left out of the will, that's a different kind of pain. Your first instinct is probably to fight, to get in front of a judge and demand answers. But before you call a lawyer and spend thousands of dollars, there's a legal reality you absolutely need to hear. In the legal world, there's a critical concept called standing. This is the core problem. Simply put, if you aren't named as a financial beneficiary in a valid will, the law says you don't have a seat at the table. If you are not a financial beneficiary in the document, you don't have a voice in probate court. Your interest isn't considered financial. You can't challenge who is managing the estate, and you can't block their appointment. The court will not hear your challenge. Let's look at a real-world example, the story of Alex, who faced this exact situation. Alex lost their father and discovered their stepmother was the sole manager of the estate. Alex was completely removed from the family trust. Naturally, Alex wanted to sue to block her from taking over, but the law was clear. Since Alex wasn't a beneficiary, the court wouldn't even hear the challenge. That sounds harsh, but here's the perspective shift. This legal rule is actually a protective boundary. For Alex, knowing the law meant they didn't waste thousands of dollars and years of emotional energy on an unwinnable fight. Walking away wasn't losing, it was a victory for Alex's mental health. Closure is more valuable than litigation. The law provides certainty so you can find closure and move on. Let's talk about the key takeaway for our generation. If there's a lesson here for those of us in our 30s, it's this. We need to prepare for the future. Have the hard conversations now. Talk to your parents. Clarify expectations today so you aren't left guessing tomorrow. Protect your peace and focus on healing, not litigating. That is the true priority. Knowledge is power, but peace is the priority.